Hello, a very good morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Shrutika. I welcome you all back to our new YouTube video today. So in today's video, we're going to learn about Dr. Cyrus Maxwell Boger, about his life history and about his contributions. So if you will scroll down to the playlist, you will understand that we are into the series of life history of different eminent homeopaths, pioneers, stalwarts in homeopathy. So we need to learn the history about them. So only if we understand what was their history, life history, and what were their contributions, only then we will be able to understand what are the different concepts generated by them, and we can practice these concepts which were given by them into our day-to-day clinical practice. So I have tried making all the life history videos very simple so that it becomes very easy for anyone who is seeing this video to understand and certainly gain some knowledge. So this video is basically useful for all the budding homeopaths who are into their undergraduation or people who are preparing for their AIA PGT exam, state PSC exam, UPSC, MPSC exams. Okay, so let's get started with today's YouTube video. So firstly, what is the birth date? The birth date of Cyrus Maxwell Boger is on 13th May 1861. Place क्या है? Western Pennsylvania. And what is the death anniversary? It is on 2nd September 1935. तो ये हो गया birth date, place और death anniversary. What were the educational qualifications of Dr. Cyrus? Before understanding his qualifications, let's understand who was Boger. So Boger was son of Professor Cyrus and Isabel Maxwell Boger. Okay, and he received his early education from the public school of Lebanon, PA, and he was graduated in pharmacy. Understand, he was graduated in pharmacy from Philadelphia College of Pharmacy, and later on he graduated from Philadelphia College of Medicine, and he studied at Hahnemannian Homeopathic Medical College at Philadelphia, and he qualified himself as a homeopath. So what we saw till now is the birth date, his place, the death anniversary, who was Dr. Boger, what was the educational qualifications of Dr. Boger, and now we will understand what are the important books which are authored by Dr. Maxwell Boger. Now, a systematic alphabetical repertory of homeopathic remedies, translation by Dr. Boning Hossain, is his first book. Second one is, we all know, बोनिंग हॉसेन्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड रेपर्टरी, जिसको हम BBCR बोलते हैं. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रेपर्टरीज. सो एनीवन हु इज परस्यूइंग हिज MD in repertory is very well acquainted with this book, that is BBCR. Then is the Boger's Synoptic Key in 1915. It is one of the most important repertories that we have. Then Card Index of Repertory and General Analysis in 1924. Then The Times of Remedies and Moon Phases in 1931. Then The Homeopathic Therapeutics of Diphtheria. Then Summerskith Proving by Dr. Boger, and the times which characterize the appearance and aggravation of the symptoms and their remedies. And the most important concept that Dr. Boger has given is the pathological general. So to analyze or evaluate the symptoms in any given case, the Boger's concept is about pathological generals. So in this video, we saw about his birth date, his place, about the death anniversary, his education, and books authored. So likewise, if you want to understand or learn about other stalwarts, you can just scroll up into the playlists that is given. And if you find this video useful, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share it amongst your friends. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you and have a nice day.